Hello, so today we are doing object-oriented programming. I wouldn't again be going through all the concepts, but you will start your object-oriented programming, the learning journey, with learning Java, as you have already seen on the work I have set. So what is object-oriented programming and why do we do it? So object-oriented programming is based on 4 principles, which I will outline here in a minute. So object-oriented programming has got 4 things. The first thing is, there are classes. Okay. Again. So today we are going to be learning about object-oriented programming. So objects have got a template called classes. Okay. So these are nothing but basically a template. So all classes have got 2 things. One is attribute. Attributes, and the other one is called methods. So in your simple terms, what you can understand is attributes is nothing but a bunch of variables which are only present inside the class. Methods are functions. Okay, they just have got these fancy names, and you should be calling them attributes and method and not variables and functions. In the next few lessons, which is after Wednesday, after you have completed your Java activity, you will be learning to create attributes and methods. As for today, what you need to be doing is you need to go and download Java. I have shown you I have got the Java SE development environment. So there are 2 things you need to download. First is the Java SE kit. Okay. Without this, your Java IDE will not work. So I've set up the link here. So you need to download the Java JDK downloads. Go here. I have got a Windows computer, so I have downloaded this one. Obviously, if you have got a Mac OS, you need to download this one. The Mac OS this build. Okay. Second thing, you will be going on to Eclipse. I have used Eclipse IDE. There are a lot more IDEs present in the market, but this is the lighter version. It downloads very quickly, gets installed very quickly. So if you click on download, and then that's the latest version. I have also uploaded, put the link in your homework. So if you download this one, you end up with this kind of IDE. Alright. So how will you create a new project? First of all, create a Java project. When you open up, this is the view. Always remember, in Java, when you're learning Java, the project name needs to be the same as the main class. Okay. There are a few cheat sheets here as well if you want to get started with the first one. So hello world, and then click on next. It creates that. Okay. Ensure you have clicked create module info.java file. If you do not create it, it will give you error messages. That one is really important. It helps you to create a building block of the Java or the main class. Everything is within the main class of the Java language. So module name is fine. I don't need to create module name, but it's doing it anyway. Then I will go to File, New, Class. Okay, so hello world class, and then public static void main. So this is, again, this needs to be clicked so that you can have your main function. Without a main class in the Java, it is impossible to write any programs. So ensure this one is clicked. I've done generate comments. Name. Hello world. Same name exists, but I've already created a similar file, so I think it is giving me trouble with that. Let me do that. Project. Well, this time I'll keep it simple. Okay, so hello. Next. Create module info Java file. Yep. Let's finish. Don't create. I'm not creating a module now. We'll go on file. Sorry, new. Class. Okay. Hello class. So this one, public static void main, needs to be clicked always, otherwise you cannot write any programs. Says default package is discouraged, so I'll just change the case probably and finish. So it created a class called hello. Now I will be doing something. So this is auto-generated comments. You can change it. In Java, comments is /, as you can see. So in Java, the print statement is slightly different. You can use the cheat sheets here, add print statement, or you can use the W3 school. System dot out dot print. Right, so I don't want to print any boolean or anything, so I will select this one, double click on this. Hello world, quotation mark. So this is very similar to what we have already got. In the quotation mark is same for any language really. Any strings needs to be within quotation mark to be able to print. So this replaces system.out.println replaces just a print statement in Java. Okay, so print statement as in your Python, and in Java it's a slightly longer statement. So if I click on this, run as Java application, and it just simply shows me the output is here. That's the output. Okay, that's as simple. That's how you run. You can even go to run from here, but this is the shortcut. I prefer this as one Java application. The important thing is ensure you have a static void main, which means when you are creating the class, remember when you go to file, new, class, this one is unticked by default. You need to tick it. If you want auto-generated comments for your program, you can tick this generate comments box as well. Alright, so that's the important bit. All the best. I will be giving you more examples and explaining you the concepts of object-oriented programming in more details once you are good with the Java. The reason that I chose Java as a language, because Java by default it works with classes, and so these are the public static void main is a method in a class. Okay, so the class name is hello here, and the method name is main. So Java always works within classes and methods, so it's a very good introduction to object-oriented programming, which unfortunately Python does not allow. You can still learn Python. It's on, I will be showing you examples of Python as well, but Python is slightly different than what is required of you in the method that you're required to answer for your exam. Okay, so that's the reason I have got this, asked you to learn Java. Just makes your life a little bit easier. Thank you. If you have any issues, any problems, please don't hesitate to send me any email or on the Google Classroom, any comments on the Google Classroom. All the best. Bye.